I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Versa store reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is an online store based in United States, United Kingdom and Canada that sells multiple products like the Fat Cat backpack, 2-in-1 hair and beard straightener, cold portable ice kettle, t-shirts, shoes, etc. And you can take a look at the product category here along with the prices, and you can take a look that the prices of these offerings are pretty high. And guys, talking about the payment information, you can take a look at the payment icon here. The mode of payment available on the site is PayPal only, and they have not mentioned their shipping policy on the website, which is a bad sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the first important factor, this site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. But coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 12th of April 2018 and it is 2 years, 5 months, 24 days old website that shows that the website is a legit website. But guys, we can't judge this website's legitimacy on its domain creation information. We need to discuss more factors like contact details, website design and customer reviews, social media presence, etc. So let's discuss more about this website. Guys, know about us section is available on the site, which is a bad sign. And talking about the contact details, so let's take a look at the contact us page, and they have provided their contact details like official address and email address. But guys, this address is not legit as you will find an unknown building on the given official address. But talking about the email address, which is sales@versastore.com, this email matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. And coming to the social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all on any social media platform, which is again a red high alert. And about return policy, so company and the website has a return policy. The company offers 60 days return policy from purchase date. Guys, to comment about your experience and refund or return of the product, it will give benefit to other customers as well. Guys, talking about customer reviews, we have found no reviews about Versastore.com website, but yes, we have found one rating out of 5 on Facebook page of this website, which is a bad sign as this website is not popular. So we have found no reviews. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the site appears to be legit, but due to the following loopholes like fake contact details, absence of contact number, and bad trust score, unavailability of company's information, unavailability of shipping policy, and unavailability of detailed payment information led to believe us that it is a suspicious site. So guys, you need to be aware of their places before shopping for products from it. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video and subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.